Friends, welcome back to my channel. So my today's topic is overthinking, how overthinking affects our life. As overthinking is something that puts us into stress, it's the reason behind all stress, depressions that we face in life. So of course, we have to first of all understand why this overthinking happens, and we have to treat our overthinking to take it to a positive direction, because overthinking, negative thoughts, this all of these things would be there in life. They would be in with us. We cannot remove them. Instead, we can convert them to a positive attitude. So today I'm here discussing about overthinking, how to control overthinking and why this overthinking happens. So first of all, we have to understand the root cause of overthinking is something of the thinking process that we do over and over. We think over and over about some incident or some thing that happened, some event that we didn't like, or some situations that we are going through is not in our control or is not in favor of us, and we are not able to control those situations or change those situations. So we tend to think over and over again, or some problems we have. Maybe we are not getting some job, or maybe in some houses daughters are not being getting married, so parents are thinking about that, and through this depressions, anxiety and stress happening. So how to reduce this overthinking, how to put a control on this overthinking process. Why do we overthink? Because we want something and the situation is not permitting to do that particular thing, and hence we feel very disheartened, and we start to think for new ideas. We start to think for some betterment, to get rid of that situation. We start to think to get out of that situation, to have some control over that particular situation. But when nothing really comes in our mind that would help us to get out of that situation or to solve our problems, of course we start to think over and over again. Our mind start to think over and over again about that particular thing. So firstly, overthinking is not good for health, and this overthinking is not going to help you in any solution. It helps, think about it, think over it. Don't let that thinking process consume your happiness or your life. First of all, I would suggest be relaxed with the situation. Don't take too much stress, even if I know taking stress is not anyone's choice. It's something people do forcefully, because the situation, the time, people, anything forces them to overthink or take stress. So first of all, one thing, one has to push themselves to think ignorant about life. Try to lessen the attachment from everything in life. This attachment, this sense of attachment, attaching attitude, this all binds us with everything, and this is the main reason cause for all sufferings and sorrows. So next, we have to understand that the situation is not good, it's not in our favor. And once we start to detach ourselves from every situation, every relationships, every incidents, from a distance we can see that problem and we can solve, because at when it's time to solve others problems, we do that immediately, and when it's our own turn we fail to do, because we are much attached with the situations or the things. And from a distance, as we can see our friends problem or others problem, we cannot see our own problem. So we have to attach ourselves first of all from that situation. We have to be a little bit ignorant, and then we have to see what exactly we are expecting from life. Overthinking generally mainly comes from overthinking. We overthink that situation. Maybe something bad has happened, but we are overthinking and making it more worse. We are thinking that worse has happened, and most of the time our imaginations work than reality. Whatever the reality is, our own worst imaginations put hold on that and create the situation even more worst. So this way we have to be careful about what we are thinking, and we have to thoroughly think through whatever we are thinking. When you start to think about, analysis about what you are thinking, you will see that half of the problem is already solved. Maybe nothing, it wasn't any big problem, but you are thinking that it's a big problem. This is a disease for overthinkers, who ever think a lot and they don't understand the situations, and they think that it's a big problem. And even someone shows them that this is not a big problem, they tend to ignore those kind of suggestions. This is a very big blunder, I would say. This is a very big blunder. Try to, if someone is suggesting you, try to listen to the person, try to think over that person. Already you are overthinking about some bad situations, of course. You can think a little bit, you can spend time, you can use your little bit of mind for thinking about, if someone is suggesting some good things, someone is trying to show you some positive doorway, so you need to think about that, you need to understand about that, which most of the people don't do. Last and not the least, that I would suggest, try to see positive thing in that situation that you are dealing with, or you are trying to get rid of the situation. Try to see the positives of that situation, try to analyze this, which is very important, as I say in all my videos. Try to thoroughly analyze the situation, what's happening, why this is happening, who is doing, what's the problem, what's the pros, what's the cons. You have to analyze everything. And once you start to think that you are thinking over something, and what things can happen through that, what changes can be brought in that, as you think over all of this, you will find a solution. And of course, try to see the best thing in that situation, that from that best thing, that from that positive thing, the solution would, of course, definitely come out. So friends, do try these tricks to manage your overthinking problems, and hope it would be very helpful to you if you do try all of this. So thank you friends, bye bye for today. So stay in peace, keep your health, and love you all.